Hi, hello, and welcome to season 1, episode 4 of Underrated. As you can see, another new background. It's not actually not new background, but it's just I've just moved thoda sa. But today I'm going to be talking about underrated social media platform. I have just one that I want to talk about in particular, and I will say it's a heavy band that I'm going to use. It is the perfect substitute for WhatsApp. IG, there's not many out there, but for WhatsApp, I found this. So before I do that, make sure you subscribe because there's more coming. And if we reach 150 subscribers before the next episode, I'm gonna surprise the hell out of you guys for sure. Count on me for that. So let's begin. Without further ado, Underrated Season 1, Episode 4. Yeah, so today I'm going to be talking about a perfect substitute for WhatsApp. So I was away from social media for around 8 to 9 months, and I had nothing but text messages and phone calls. But I have a stock Android phone, right? You guys know, I hope you saw the previous videos. It has this app called Google Hangouts, which I cannot delete, and so I thought, let's just see if that works or not. And it works perfectly. Google Hangouts is the perfect substitute for WhatsApp. You can share pictures from your gallery, from take screenshots, whatever you want, memes, anything. You can video call, although I've not tried that with someone yet, because besides that, you can share your location if you have someone to trust with that information. But other than that, it is perfect. And there's just one thing that I really like about Hangouts is that it is made by Google, so you know it's pretty well sorted. And besides that, it has its own integrated web browser. So if you open links in that, so if someone sent you a link of a website xyz.com and you click it, then it will open that website within the app, so you don't go to Google Chrome or Safari if you use an iPhone. And the only thing that's required for signing up on Google Hangouts is your email ID, actually your Gmail ID. The Yahoo ID does not work, but who doesn't have a Gmail ID? They don't even take your number. So that's very simple, and the integrated web browser makes a lot of things very easy. So you just browse stuff within the app, you don't leave it, and it makes the reachability of content faster. And I told you, it's Google. Google has their stuff sorted out. So that's just the one thing. I used YouTube a lot too, to watch memes and stuff like that during that time period. But I don't think YouTube can, beat or surpass IG, Instagram. But the algorithms that power YouTube are very powerful. So if I see one sort of video that I like, for example, I was into a curb your memes type of thing. I hope maybe you guys know it. I'll link it up there. So I clicked on one, and they are barely a minute in duration. And once I clicked on those, I started liking them. So whenever I would log into YouTube, and in the home page I would see stuff like that, then I would see dog memes, which is perfect. So I can say that maybe YouTube is a substitute for Instagram, but I would not say it's there yet. There have been a lot of stuff that's been improvised on YouTube too, so creators can do polls, share pictures and videos, so obviously. But I'm not sure it's there yet. But when it comes to WhatsApp, the perfect substitute for WhatsApp will be. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys like this video, and please do subscribe because there's more coming, as I said. And if we reach 150, there's something in store for you that you guys will like for sure. I'm telling you. I'm imposing it, telling you whatever you want. Just make sure you subscribe and stay home, stay safe, all that. You are wise enough to do so. And yeah, bye.